What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with Nia Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new V2 Nia spoiler on this Lexus RC. When purchasing the new Nia spoiler V2, you're going to have three different options. One, you can get it without any emblems. Two, you can get it with the Lexus emblem painted in black. Or three, you can get it just with the factory chrome Lexus letter. For the new V2 Nia spoiler, you're going to receive all your installation screws and an adhesion promoter rag. If you have the factory spoiler, you're going to need a plastic spatula, a socket, and for the installation, you're going to need a clip remover and a Phillips screwdriver. First things first, if you have a factory spoiler, let's remove it. To remove the factory spoiler, we will need to remove the inside panels. First, locate the handle and open the flap. Inside, you'll see two Phillips screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove them. After the handle is removed, look at the factory clips and using your clip remover, just pull them out. Time to remove the inner panel. Just unhook the emergency latch and pull it out. Now that you have access, you'll find two nuts and two screws. With your socket, start removing them. Once the factory bolts and screws are removed, get the plastic spatula and go in between the spoiler and the trunk to start separating the double-sided tape and removing the spoiler at the same time. Once the spoiler is all removed, remember we have to remove the emblem the same way. Grab your spatula and we'll just take right off. Once the spoiler is removed, remove the residue for a clean surface. Once the factory spoiler is removed, you're going to realize there's 4 holes right across. And when you look at our spoiler, you're going to see 4 rib nuts. And this is when you're going to have the bolts that we provided to you and use them through the same holes to attach the spoiler. Alright guys, time to put the spoiler on. This is when you get the adhesion promoter and we're gonna wipe it right across where the double-sided tape lands. In order to make sure you put it on the right place, what I'd like to do is get a little piece of tape and more or less give it some mark so I know where the adhesion promoter needs to be wiped into. Start off by wiping everything with the alcohol wipe and then go back and wipe it with the adhesion promoter. Now that the adhesion promoter is on, fold all the double-sided tape backing and we're going to apply the spoiler and to align all the factory holes with the rib nuts. Now that the double-sided tape backing is off, time to tighten up all the screws. When tightening up the screws, make sure to tighten up the middle ones first and then finish off with the corner ones. Once the spoiler is on, reverse all the steps to put the inner panels back on. Once everything's nice and tight, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus RC. If you have any questions, please comment below and we'll always get back to you guys. Thank you guys.